Winter is a season we all look forward to: cozy sweaters, warm drinks, and the crisp chill in the air. But let's face it, with the drop in temperature comes a rise in health challenges. Dry skin, frequent colds, achy joints, and even that sluggish feeling can take a toll on your energy and well-being. Now, what if I told you that there's a simple yet powerful remedy that can help you not just survive winter but thrive in it? Enter turmeric, a golden spice that has been a part of traditional medicine for centuries. Turmeric isn't just a kitchen staple. It's a superfood packed with incredible benefits that are especially useful during the winter months. Whether it's boosting your immunity, soothing joint pain, promoting better digestion, or keeping your skin healthy, turmeric has it all covered. In this video, we're going to explore why turmeric is a must-have this winter season and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine to maximize its benefits. So, grab a warm drink, get comfortable, and let's uncover the magic of this golden spice. First, anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory effects. During winter, when people are more prone to joint pain and inflammation, turmeric can help reduce discomfort and stiffness. Boosts immunity. The cold weather often brings an increase in colds and flu. Turmeric has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that can strengthen the immune system and help fight off infections. Supports digestion. Turmeric is known to aid digestion by stimulating bile production. During winter, when heavy, rich foods are often consumed, turmeric can help promote better digestion and prevent bloating or indigestion. Improves skin health. Cold air can dry out the skin, leading to irritation and dryness. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of turmeric can help combat winter skin issues, such as dryness, redness, and eczema. Protects the heart. Turmeric supports cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels, improving blood vessel function, and preventing blood clots, which is particularly beneficial during winter when heart health can be affected by reduced activity. Relieves respiratory issues. Turmeric can act as a natural expectorant, helping to clear mucus and phlegm from the respiratory tract. It is often used in teas or warm milk to soothe the throat and reduce symptoms of coughs or colds. Promotes joint health. Winter often worsens symptoms of arthritis or joint pain due to colder temperatures. Turmeric can reduce joint pain and stiffness, improving mobility and flexibility. Improves mood. The lack of sunlight in winter can lead to seasonal affective disorder, SAD, or a drop in mood. Turmeric has mood-boosting properties, thanks to its ability to increase serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain. Improves circulation. Winter cold can lead to poor blood circulation, resulting in cold hands and feet. Turmeric supports better blood flow and helps maintain warmth in the body. Helps with weight management. Winter often leads to reduced physical activity and weight gain. Turmeric boosts metabolism and supports fat burning, aiding in weight management. That's it for today's video on the incredible benefits of having turmeric in winter. So, why not add a pinch of this golden spice to your daily routine and experience the magic for yourself? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay warm, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.